Hey guys, this is me, Koopa, and today I'm gonna be trying snacks from Japan. So, recently, a couple days ago, I bought a bunch of Japanese snacks from Amazon, and now they are here. So, I was willing to try them out for a video. So, first off, we have this. I'm not sure how you pronounce this. I'm not gonna try pronouncing all of these things because I know a lot of you guys are gonna start saying how to pronounce it correctly in the comments. So here's the first one. Here's a look at it. Alright, let's open this thing up. Oh geez. Let me just open it like this. Just give me a bit. Alright, there we go. Alright, let me just pull one out. What the heck? Oh. Alright, so here it is. This is what it looks like. Alright, let me try it. You know, it's not that bad. I'm not sure how to say the taste though. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to describe the taste. But you know, it's pretty good. Alright, I'll show you the next one. Here is another one. I don't know how to pronounce this one either. I guess it's gonna be like fish flavored. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it out. Let me just open it right here. Let me just grab one of these things. These things don't really taste much. It does smell a little bit like fish though. It has this kind of waxy feel to it though. So this one, I think, I'm pretty sure it's a marshmallow. You've probably seen these in like at least once, or at least something like this. Let me just open it. Whoop, my little guitar. Alright. Here's what it looks like outside the box. Like I said, you've probably seen these marshmallows at least once. Yeah, it was a marshmallow. It tastes like your average marshmallow, you know? This looks like one of those cola gummies, you know, like the ones that taste like soda. This is how it looks. Alright, now to taste it. Alright. It's really sweet. But yet again, it was covered in sugar. What did I expect? So the next one we have is this one. Let me just move that. This is what it looks like. Here's the back. The front. Alright. I'm not actually sure what's in this. Well, I think these are potato chips. Oh wait, no they're not. Huh. That's interesting. Alright. They kinda taste like, potato chips. What more can I say? Here's another one. It may look big on the screen, but it's actually really, really tiny. Like, this is it compared to a Pepsi can. Yeah, it's not much. Alright. Now to open it. Why do I have a feeling these things would taste like Smarties? They probably don't, but it's just... still. Now, they don't taste like Smarties. They disintegrate in your mouth really quickly, though. Like, really, really quickly. Alright, here's the next one. Again, it's really tiny. Here's the comparison to it, to a Pepsi can. You see, it's really, really small. Probably the smallest one in the darn bag. Alright. Don't worry, there's gonna be bigger ones soon. How do I open this? Give me a bit, let me figure out how to open. At least you got scissors. Alright, let me. Yeah, right there. Oh my god. Alright. Boom! The power of editing compels you. Alright, here it is. It's just a gummy. Let me taste how it is. You know, it's a lot softer than the other gummies I've had. It has a certain taste, it's just... I'm not exactly sure how to describe it. Here's another one. I think I've seen something like this before. Like, I guess this is what it's supposed to look like. If that is actually what it looks like, then yeah, I think I've seen these before. Okay. Huh. It has a little maze on the back. Oh my god. Alright, here it is. Okay. It's a little bit different. Alright. It's like a little cookie, you know? It's supposed to taste like melon. Huh. You know, it's not that bad. It looks like I have another one, just like it. Alright, here's the other one. This is this one compared to the other. Alright. There we go. Alright. This is what it looks like. Just a little panda. Why won't the camera go into focus? There we go. The Pandoro brand butter cookie. Alright, let me give this a try. I'm willing to try this again every now and then. It's just like your average cookie, you know? So it looks like I was wrong. There was actually more than that. There's actually even more small ones. Like these. Hey, look! Felix the cat. I'm surprised he's actually on any of these candies. Here's all of them. Alright. Which one should I try first? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Alright. There we go. Oh. It's basically a Haichu. My voice just cracked. Oh no. This one's harder. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. This looks like, this will taste like lemons, pineapples. Looks like pineapple. Piña. Alright. Here it is. Alright, let me try this. It tastes like the Lifesavers. Yeah, like the other one, it tastes... Well, it tastes the same. It's just a little bit harder than the ones we have here. Alright. Here is the Felix one. I'm not sure if this is like gum, a taffy. I'm really not sure. Probably gum, though. Huh. Seems like there's like a little, how do I say, activity on the wrapper. I think. I'm not exactly sure. I can't read Japanese. Alright. Here it is. Ah, no! Yeah, that looks like gum. What the? If I knew how to read this, I would. It's just, I really don't know what it is. Wait a minute. Yeah. I can't tell if this is like a marshmallow or really thin gum. Well, yeah, it is. It is gum. Here's the other one. Yeah, they're probably activities. Too bad I can't read that. I would do it. I think that's the beginning. Let me just get a pencil. Wait a minute. Wait, what? This maze. It has. There's no way to beat it. There's no way to beat the dang maze. Seriously, you can pause this video right now and think it and find a way to solve this maze. Seriously, it's not there. There's like no way to get through there. Again, it's just another piece of gum. This is what the last one looked like. Oh, I think this is supposed to taste like Pepsi. You see how it looks? Yeah, it's just gum. That tastes like Pepsi. Well, it's supposed to taste like Pepsi anyway. Here's another one. I'm not even gonna try pronouncing this. Alright. Here it is. Looks interesting. Let me try this. Oh, it's a hard candy. Oh, they're supposed to look like little star fragments. Out of all of them, there's only 2 different colors. Yellow and purple. These are the only one. These are the only different ones I got. Everything else was just white. See? Better be careful not to break these brackets. Yeah, it's just sugar. That's actually it. It's just sugar. I have nothing more to say about it. Just molded sugar. Here's another one. This looks actually pretty interesting. Just pull this just like that. Come on. Alright. Ooh. Stuck. Whatever. Come on. Open up. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. There we go. Sorry if that was painful for a lot of you guys to watch. You know what this one reminds me of? It reminds me of the sweet tarts. You know, the little chewy ones? Yeah, these things are actually really chewy. Just one bite and they're completely deformed. Alright, now I'm gonna end this one off with a bang. Here, I found this one in the bag and I'm like, you know what, this looks really cool. I don't care if it's spicy, sweet, probably spicy. Um, I'm just gonna try it. Here it is outside of the bag. Alright. You know, it's not that bad. Got a good taste to it. Alright, guys. I'd say this is pretty good. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, yada yada. You know, like all the stuff YouTubers say on repeat. Alright, see ya, guys.